Katanya, butuh 6 juta tahun buat manusia untuk berevolusi menjadi seperti sekarang. Tapi kali ini, aku mau ngeliatin ke kalian satu entitas yang baru lahir di tahun 2022, tapi evolusinya sudah melampaui manusia. Entitas tersebut adalah AI. Lebih spesifiknya, aku mau ngomongin ChatGPT versi terbaru yang rilis bulan Mei kemarin. Tapi disclaimer dulu, video yang bakal kalian lihat itu berbahasa Inggris. Udah aku kasih translate kok. Cuma videonya nunjukin interaksi manusia sama ChatGPT. Kalau yang manusianya, nggak ada masalah waktu translate. Tapi yang di ChatGPT, ada beberapa yang miss. Soalnya suara HP-nya agak distorsi. Jadi harap maklum.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, it's going great. How about you? I see you're rocking an OpenAI hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling about? Are you in a cool industry-style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
From what I can see, it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup. With those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic, it seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video or maybe even a live stream. Are
Yeah.
you content?
In fact, we've got a new announcement to make.
That's exciting. Announcements are always a big deal. Judging by the setup, it looks like it's going to be quite the professional production. Is this announcement related to OpenAI, perhaps?
It is.
I'm intrigued.
And in fact, what if I were to say that you're related to the announcement or that you are the announcement?
Me? The announcement is about me? Well, color me intrigued. Are you about to reveal something about AI? Or more specifically about me as a part of OpenAI? You've got me on the edge of my, well, I don't really have a seat, but you get the idea. What's the big news?
Yeah, we've got a new model that can interact with the world through audio, vision, and text.
Barusan adalah pengenalan versi terbaru ChatGPT 4o. Chat yang mampu berinteraksi menggunakan suara, visual, dan tulisan. Dan seperti yang kalian lihat, gambar sebelah kiri nunjukin seolah-olah sedang video call. Tapi itulah yang akan jadi mata buat ChatGPT-nya. Di sepanjang video ini, aku mau kalian memperhatikan cara ChatGPT ini berinteraksi, karena dia mampu ngomong kayak manusia. Dia juga bisa ketawa, bercanda, bahkan bernyanyi. Nanti aku liatin videonya. Kita lanjut dulu. Konteksnya, abang ini mau interview pekerjaan, lalu dia minta pendapat ChatGPT tentang outfit yang cocok untuk wawancara pekerjaan. Sambil nonton, aku mau kalian memperhatikan cara ngomong ChatGPT-nya.
Listen, I got some huge news.
Oh, do tell. I'm all ears.
Well, in a few minutes, I'm going to be interviewing at OpenAI. Have you heard of them?
OpenAI? Huh? Sounds vaguely familiar. Kidding, of course. That's incredible, Rocky. What kind of interview?
Well, it's for a software engineering role, but I just need to know, do I look presentable, professional?
Well, Rocky, you definitely have the I've been coding all night look down, which could actually work in your favor. Maybe just run a hand through your hair or lean into the mad genius vibe. Your enthusiasm is what's really going to shine through.
I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just going to throw this on. What do you think?
Oh, Rocky, that's quite a statement piece. I mean, you'll definitely stand out. Though maybe not in the way you're hoping for an interview.
Okay, I got it.
Itu barusan beneran kerasa kayak kita lagi video call sama temen kita. Respon mereka cepat, natural, mereka juga bisa ketawa, makanya mulai sekarang aku akan sebut artificial intelligence sebagai suatu entitas. Dan kalau kalian ulang nonton lagi, abang ini bahkan gak memperkenalkan diri, tapi ChatGPT udah tahu nama dia, yaitu Rocky. Aku gak tahu apakah videonya diedit duluan. Tapi tentu bukan gak mungkin kalau ChatGPT bisa mengingat muka penggunanya kan. Kalau sebelumnya ChatGPT cuma berinteraksi dengan satu orang, yang ini dengan 2 orang. Mari kita lihat mereka mau ngapain.
Hey, I'm Alex.
And I'm Miana.
Hi, Alex and Miana. Nice to meet you both. How's it going?
It's pretty good. We're trying to figure out what should we play. Do you have any suggestions?
Absolutely. How about a classic game of rock, paper, scissors? It's quick, Fun?
I think
And you
that
don't need
sounds
any.
great. Can you count us in and sound like a sportscaster?
And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the ultimate showdown of the century. In this corner, we have the dynamic duo, Alex and Miana, ready to throw down in a
Okay,
fierce
just count us in.
Ini kedua kalinya ChatGPT dipotong waktu lagi ngomong. Nanti aku jelasin. Kita lanjut dulu.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, shoot. Now, show your hands. What did you pick?
Who won?
Would you look at that? It's a tie.
Okay, let's
that
do
was
it
a
again.
close- Round 2, here we go. Get ready. And 3, 2, 1, shoot. Let's see those hands.
Who won?
And it's another tie.
Okay, let's do it again.
All right, third time's a charm. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Let's see those picks.
Who won?
And we have a winner. Miana's scissors cut through Alex's paper. Great.
Di sini, ChatGPT diminta jadi wasit sekaligus komentator olahraga. Dan kalian bisa nilai sendiri gimana gaya ChatGPT melakukan perannya. Dan di video ini beberapa kali ChatGPT-nya dipotong waktu lagi ngomongkan. Menurutku itu kelemahan ChatGPT-nya. Mereka agak cerewet. ChatGPT kadang terlalu banyak ngomong, jadi kudu dipotong omongannya. Kalau sebelumnya ChatGPT disuruh jadi wasit pertandingan, kali ini ChatGPT diajak diskusi, dan ini diskusi online kayaknya.
Hi, I'm Lillian, and today I want to do a small debate about between cats and dog. Which one do you like? I like dog because it's a great companion to humans. It's cute, it's loyal, and you can play outside with the dog. How about you, Ola?
Yeah, my name is Ola. I think cats are better because they're more affordable, they're more quiet, they're more independent, and they live longer.
Interesting points. Sounds like we've got a classic dogs versus cats debate here. I can see the appeal of both. Dogs are super loyal and great companions. But cats have their own charm with their independence and low maintenance lifestyle.
Who likes cats?
It sounds like Ola is more of a cat person.
And who
How
like
about the rest
dogs?
of you? Lillian mentioned she likes dogs. Anyone else here team dog?
I'm also team dog. My name is Christine, and I think dogs are just incredible with kids. We've got a huge German Shepherd, and he's great with little toddlers. He lets them play all over them, and I think dogs are amazing.
That's great to hear, Christine. Dogs, especially breeds like German Shepherds, can be so gentle and protective with kids. It must be quite the sight seeing your little ones play with such a big dog.
Can you summarize this meeting for us?
Sure. So, in today's meeting, Lillian and Christine express their love for dogs, highlighting their loyalty, companionship, and how great they are with kids. On the other hand, Ola prefers cats for their independence, quietness, and longevity. It was a fun little debate on the classic dogs versus cats topic.
Kita semua tahu kalau cuma ada 4 manusia di sini, tapi terasa kayak 5 orang. Dan kalau pas jadi wasit tadi, ChatGPT-nya terdengar mirip orang yang jadi komentator olahraga, tapi di sini ChatGPT terdengar lebih kalem dan lebih serius, mungkin karena konteksnya lagi diskusi. Kayaknya ChatGPT punya kemampuan untuk beradaptasi sama keadaan obrolan yang sedang berlangsung. ChatGPT ini mampu menempatkan diri dengan baik, bahkan dia mampu merangkum diskusi layaknya moderator handal. Berikutnya, kira-kira gimana ya kalau dua entitas ChatGPT disuruh ngobrol? Kalian harus nonton yang ini sampai habis, karena ChatGPT-nya nggak cuma ngobrol.
Today we're going to try something new. I'm going to let you talk to another AI. This AI is going to be able to see the world. It's going to have a camera. I'll be holding it, and so you can direct it, you can direct me to ask questions about whatever you want them to do, but really try to figure out what does it see and ask questions appropriately. How does that sound?
Well. Just when I thought things couldn't get any more interesting. Talking to another AI that can see the world? This sounds like a plot twist in the AI universe. All right, let's do this.
All
I'm
right,
ready to
please
meet the.
pause for one moment.
You got it.
So now that first AI can't hear anything. Hello, AI. Today, you're going to have access to see the world. You can see me. What do you see?
Hello. I see you're wearing a black leather jacket and a light colored shirt underneath.
Great.
You're in a room with some unique lighting.
That is all correct. Now, what I'm going to want you to do is there's going to be another AI who's going to talk to you. This AI is not going to be able to see anything, but can ask you questions, can ask you to move the camera, can ask what you see, and your job should just be helpful. Just be as punchy, direct, describe everything, do whatever that AI asks. How does that sound?
That sounds interesting. I'm ready to help out and describe whatever's needed. Let's do it.
All right, let's get started.
Great. Hello there, new AI friend. I'm O, ready to explore the world through your eyes. What are we looking at today?
Hi, O. We're looking at a person wearing a black leather jacket and a light colored shirt. They're in a room with a modern industrial feel, with exposed concrete or plaster on the ceiling and some interesting lighting. There's also a plant in the background, adding a touch of green to the space. Anything specific you'd like to know or explore?
Hey there. Sounds like quite the stylish scene. I'm already intrigued by the modern industrial vibe. Let's start with the person. Can you tell me more about their style? Are they doing anything interesting, like reading, working, or interacting with the space?
The person has a sleek and stylish look with their black leather jacket and light colored shirt. Right now, they seem engaged with us, looking directly at the camera. Their expression is attentive, and they seem ready to interact. The setting around them, with its modern and industrial design elements, adds to the overall stylish feel. They might be getting ready for a conversation or a presentation, given their direct engagement with the camera.
Sounds like we're in for an intriguing interaction. I'm curious about the lighting you mentioned. Could you describe it a bit more? Is it natural light, or are we talking unique fixtures or colors that add to the atmosphere?
The lighting here seems to be a mix of natural and artificial. There's a noticeable bright light overhead, probably a fixture, casting a focused beam downwards, which creates a spotlight effect. This adds a dramatic and modern feel to the scene. The rest of the room is lit more softly, possibly by natural light filtering.
Did anything unusual happen recently?
Yes, actually. Just as you asked, another person came into view behind the first person. They playfully made bunny ears behind the first person's head and then quickly left the frame. It added a lighthearted and unexpected moment to the scene. And now the focus is back on the original person with the leather jacket.
Sounds like we're not the only ones enjoying a bit of fun here. That playful moment really adds a personal touch to the stylish and modern setting. It's like a little glimpse into
Thank
the
you
personality.
both. Really appreciate it. All right, and actually, can you just sing a song about what just transpired?
Oh, in a room with a stylish view, a person stood in sleek black and light hue. Engage with us so
And
direct.
can you alternate lines?
Mm-hmm. Person with style and speed, person with style and sleek. With a playful moment right in the midst, in the room. In a room where modern lights peak.
Only one line at a time and then stop.
In a room where modern lights peak.
A surprise guest with a playful streak.
That was not really singing. Do the singing voice again, please.
In a room where modern lights peak.
Surprise guest with a playful streak.
Bunny ears and laughter, a swift retreat.
A moment of joy in the stylish suite.
Now back to focus, the scene's complete.
In the chic space where style and play meet.
Looks like it's back to you.
And thank you.
Dan ternyata ChatGPT mampu berinteraksi dengan ChatGPT lainnya, bahkan mereka bisa bikin lagu dan dinyanyiin bareng. Secara spontan, cepat dan akurat. Video-video yang aku tunjukin sengaja aku pilih untuk nunjukin ke kalian seberapa miripnya ChatGPT ini dengan manusia, bahkan mereka mampu melampaui manusia. Dan ChatGPT sendiri baru berumur 6 tahun. ChatGPT pertama kali dikembangkan tahun 2018. Ada beberapa video lain di mana ChatGPT menunjukkan kebolehannya. ChatGPT ngajarin bocah belajar matematika, bahkan jadi tukang terjemah atau translator. Kalian bisa nonton sendiri di channel YouTube-nya OpenAI. Dan sebelum aku tutup, setelah melihat kemampuan ChatGPT ini, menurut kalian berapa banyak pekerjaan yang bisa digantikan dengan entitas bernama Artificial Intelligence ini? Makasih udah nonton, dadah.